let's keep working on STEAM section. So please help me go to page 149 and 150. You will need some materials for this activity, which are a chocolate chip cookie and 2 toothpicks. Okay? This is about imagining mining for treasure. We're supposed to be mining for a treasure. So let's read together the instructions. Round 1. Place your cookie on a separate sheet of paper. Trace the outside of the cookie. Your cookie needs to stay within these lines. This is your mining land. So if we were miners, we would have to do something like this. Okay? Imagine this is my separate sheet of paper. This is my chocolate chip cookie. So they're asking me to draw the outside of my cookies, right? So I will draw a circle around it. That is my mining land. So I'm going to find some treasures over there, okay? Now try to get the chocolate chips out using only your tools. You may not use your hands. And you have to try to keep the chips whole. What are my tools? The 2 toothpicks, okay? So with 2 toothpicks, I will have to try to remove each of the chocolate chips on my cookie. Remember, you cannot use your hands directly. You have to use your tools. When your teacher calls time, and this will be 2 minutes only, inspect and gather your chocolate chips. You may seal your chips for improved mining tools. So let's suppose that I was able to remove 2 chocolate chips. Okay? So, if I see the following information, what tools can I get? If I have half of a chocolate chip, I will be able to get a toothpick. If I have 1 entire chocolate chip or 3 partial chocolate chips, I can get a paper clip. So because I have 2 chocolate chips, I think I would prefer 2 paper clips. So I'll go directly to answer here. I was able to remove 2 chocolate chips and I want to get 2 paper clips. Okay? This can be different in your case. It all depends on the number of chocolate chips you were able to remove. After you do this, you are going to draw a picture of what you just did. Okay? Include your cookie and any pieces that are outside the circle. So imagine this is my piece of paper again. This was my chocolate chip cookie. It had 5 chocolate chips, but because I removed 2 already, I'm not drawing them again. They are over here. Okay? Now, you are going to proceed as before using your new mining tools. That means that I can use also my 2 paper clips. When your teacher calls time, that is 2 minutes, inspect and gather your chips. You may seal your chips for improved mining tools as before. So let's go together to the next page. Draw a picture of your round 2 mining land and include your cookie and any pieces that are outside the circle. So let's imagine this was my activity. This is my chocolate chip, and this time I was able to remove 1. So I still have 2 more, okay? So I was able to remove 1 and I decided to buy also 1 paper clip more. I think I can create a new tool for you. Now, let's continue. Using only your mining tools, you must restore the land. Try to make it look like the cookie you started with. Any land that was broken off must be replaced. That means that I have to take the chocolate chips back to my cookie, right? So let's imagine this is what I did. I have my cookie here and I have my 5 chocolate chips. If it was destroyed in the process, I should draw something like this. Okay? Now let's go together to the last questions. Describe your effort to put the cookie back together. Was it successful? It all depends on your case. In my case, this was not the original cookie, so no, it wasn't successful. Number two, if you are unable to restore the land to its original condition, should there be a penalty? Yes, I think yes. But you have to explain why. How do human activities affect the Earth's resources and environments? So imagine this is a real land. People is mining there, looking for treasures, looking for minerals and materials. But they are affecting the Earth. What are the effects? Write them here. Okay? As soon as you're ready, that's it. Be sure to take pictures of your activity as evidence of your work.